Good morning, Brooke.
What do you think?
It's the day after we textured.
It looks so good.
And we were just uncovering all the vents. There's some spots that are still gray. I don't know if you can tell it on the camera, but it's just some of the spots are nice and dry, and other spots are still wet. Must have been a little bit thicker in those spots, but
we can't paint yet until all those little gray spots are gone. But if you look in the kitchen, look, it's kind of blurry, but it's all white, so it is looking amazing.
You can't even tell it was popcorn.
No, I'm so excited.
It's gonna be
amazing.
Amazing.
So
the problem is our house is completely torn to hell.
Yeah, it's like.
So we were hoping to wake up and paint this morning and then
be able to put stuff back together by this afternoon, but
I don't think that's
maybe later tonight.
Yeah, we might have to paint this afternoon.
Yeah, but we didn't sleep the best.
No, the stuff
tired.
is drying on there and then it'll fall off.
Oh!
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, so it's literally all night. It sounded like rustling around,
literally.
kind of.
And
like,
I don't know, I get nervous at night when I start to hear stuff. So.
Well, and I thought it might have been our kitty getting into the plastic, and then that was freaking me out. So we are gonna go get breakfast, because there's no cooking going on in here. What do you think, Punk? I'm sorry our house is such a mess. It'll be back together tomorrow. Man, it looks so good. It was worth every penny for that wonderful guy to come in and spray everything. You guys, that would have taken us like multiple days. He was here for 2.5 hours.
Literally.
And did all of this, cleaned up. I mean.
And it was literally dirt cheap too. He was good and he was a good dude and he had all of his stuff already laid out. He does it every day, so it's just another.
It was so worth it. And for people that do a lot of their remodel, like DIY things themselves, sometimes it's not worth the saved money, hassle, and your sanity to do it yourself. So there's certain things that we just do not want any part of. I would say tile.
Tile is one. And me and Brooklyn, we tiled our basement and grouted it, and it was terrible.
And we've also textured the ceilings before when we did the bathroom and the two back bedrooms. And we were like, never again.
So we were hanging up all the poly, and Brooklyn looks over at me and says, I would rather be grouting tile. So that's how you know it sucked.
It is so bad, but it'll be worth it. Yeah. We just need to paint, which painting is not too bad. I paint a lot, so it won't be terrible. My arms do get really sore when you have to paint the ceiling, but I'll survive. So, let's go get breakfast.
All right.
Hi guys, so it is later in the day. I have literally just been cleaning, vacuuming, dusting. We got all the poly down and just trying to clean up a little bit. The texture is still wet in a couple places, so we haven't been able to paint yet, which is a really big bummer. Because I just really wanted everything to be cleaned up and at least put like our couch back and our TV back tonight, but I don't know if that's gonna happen yet. So, just a quick update. I'll show you what it looks like. I just got the second coat on this half of the room. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but our first coat, obviously we were hoping that that would be enough, but you can still see some of the original ceiling color. Yeah. But now with 2 coats,
it looks so
look how good it seriously looks like a new house.
If it was a thinner knockdown,
one coat.
But since the popcorn is there, we had to do it a little bit thicker, and so there's just a lot of holes to fill in.
Yeah.
But it's looking good. We're doing good.
So my goal for today is to get this room completely or close to being put back to normal. And do you think we'll get the can lights put in? And wired? Look at Alley Cat. Not wired?
Probably not wired. We got to do. There's some electrical detective work that needs to be done.
But we can put them in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it for now. Just gotta keep painting. My arms might fall off before I'm done. So, quick update. Yes, I'm a disaster. I literally have paint everywhere. But it is looking so good in here. So, I got the living room all painted. I'll show you. So, we got 2 coats on the living room ceiling. It looks so good. Just went and got wire and a few things from Menards that we needed. And the boys are going to get the can lights wired and put in, which I can't wait for. I'm so excited to see that. And then I just need to go around and cut in with our gray paint and touch up where my white got over. It was where it was supposed to. And then I also got down the hallway all done. Look at that. Like, it is so amazing to see white. It's so crisp and clean. I just love it. So now I am going to finish the kitchen. I'm praying that I only need to do 1 coat. I'm happy with 1 coat on the down the hallway. I think it covered really nice. So fingers crossed. Oh my gosh, I have paint everywhere. So I'm just finishing my coffee. Thank goodness Sean went and got us coffee when he ran and got the rest of his errands done, and I needed it. So I love the chestnut praline latte this time of year. What is your guys' favorite Starbucks drink? Comment down below. Sean gets the caramel brulee. And sometimes he gets it hot, sometimes he gets it cold. But, so, here we go. This is the last time you'll see the kitchen before it's all painted.
Lights are going in.
I'm so excited. We got all the paint and lights and electrical all done this weekend. And we've cleaned up and started, there's Allie, started moving stuff back in. I've just been wiping everything down. Oh my gosh. Just looks like a new place. I love it. We got our diffuser going now, and it's just like feels so good. And look at how cute that is, that little metal house I got. It has been a super long weekend. We're both so tired, but worth it. I cannot believe we have lights. It looks so good. So we are going to get them on a dimmer so we can turn them down at night, but it's so nice, you guys. I love it. So I need to do a lot more decorating. I'll probably do a whole separate video on that. Our kitchen cabinets come in hopefully 3 weeks or somewhere around there. So next we're going to get a new front door hopefully soon. We need a new dining room table and then the kitchen. And it's still wrapped in, or have our paper down because I still need to cut in. But yeah, and then there'll be can lights in here and pendants and just all the things. We're just so happy with it. And the before and afters are literally insane. believe that this is the same house. Good job, Nanchi.
Thanks, Brooke.
You put in a lot of work, so that's all for today. We're gonna hit the hay. We're tired, so thanks for watching and following along. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from us, and give it a thumbs up if you like our finished remodel.